I'm a land hero of the United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification, and just to recognize that my voice is being heard, not just my voice, but the voice of many young people across the world. And I think this is something that the United Nations have successfully done over the past 8 years, trying to see how they can incorporate the voices of young people. It's our future. And as young people, taking up that responsibility and understanding that we need to put in our efforts to make our future happen, I think that is a very big score for the United Nations. Life on land is my major sustainable development goal because I understand that when we heal the land, then we have functional biodiversity. I've worked with many organizations, I've worked with many young people, I've worked with a lot of communities, trying to see how we can transform the green development space, particularly in Zambia, and trying to shift people's mindset, not to think about green development as just planting trees, but also how can we realize some sort of economic benefits for the people. If we say plastic is trash, how can we turn trash into treasures? If we start putting the economic value to the conversation around the green development, we'll find that a lot of young people will come in because young people are looking for jobs.